Then this is well number 4. This one is only at 3 meters. Yeah, not even 3 meters, about 3 meters, and we hit a rock again. But this one, it started to fall apart. We have not yet built around it or done anything because we're waiting. This is the first time we're actually using it during the rainy during the, obviously, let's say the rainy season. But now the sides have started being eaten away by the water. So we will see once it's dried up that what can we do. This one we actually use it for the cows. We pump water here and then we give the cows. And here is where I'm starting my experimental farm. I can't say experimental. This is where I try out things to see how they grow during the season. So like right now, we have got beans to see how they do. The maize has done terribly wrong. I think there's something wrong with the seeds because they are dying, and I needed to, one of the guys said bring them so that they can check on them. We're doing green pepper. Green pepper is doing well, but this we've just only seeded this like 3 days ago. We're putting in onions. Onions are here, which have just been seeded also about 3-4 days ago. We have already grown some wheat. Wheat is here. We just wanted to see what happens if we grow wheat. So far it's looking good, it's looking healthy. And over here we're doing some covo vegetables. So, and then we are going to use the rest of this area which has got chickpeas to plant other crops using this water. This water does run, so we will see what happens. This is one of the places that we want to do to keep on digging once it's dried up, and once we can see if we can blast the stone. Over there inside this side, we're going to do, this is going to be our way our 5th well goes inside this, because there is a place that has been tapped where there is water. So we're going to drill the 5th one. Once that happens, I will give you an update.